here it is. It looks great even if it's in the box. So let's open this. Look! Woo! All the good stuff. We're going to open this one later. Yeah, I checked it already. Yeah, I know. I checked it already. Nice steel lid. But I'm thinking we're going to reinforce it with some drywall tape and some Potex. Because it's too beautiful. I don't want it to be busted. See how it is. Huh. It looks great. So let's get it out of the box and then we'll check it out. So this looks really strong. It's an EXB treatment. You see it all the way 70-75 chassis. You can see it over here. It's great. Turnbuckles are upgraded. Oh, it's too much to name. It's a 20. I think it's the Brussels motor is a 2050 kV. It's rated 6S. You can drive 4S with it. It's a high metal gear steering servo. It's plated limited slip off differentials, but you have to check them off, of course, because maybe there's a little play in them, so they have to be shimmed. It looks very good out of the box. The suspension feels very nice. It feels very nice. It's all, after all, it's a great car. It looks very stable. It's really tough. It looks really tough. So yeah, this is going to be something nice to bash with. Yeah, the only thing I don't like is why didn't they put a fan on there? Because, yeah, it's a $750 truck, no fan. Arrma, you got me a little disappointed over there. It's a $5 or $10 fan. Yeah, I don't know. Why can't they afford that one? Huh? So, steering servo, the transmitter, it's a Spectrum DX3. The old bits and balls on there, you see, but I'm not going to use that because I have a Fly Sky Noble. What's in the manual? Yeah, what's in the box here on the bag. Yeah, of course you got your manual. It's always like other companies, it's always nicely equipped. Extra bits here, body posts, also for the shock towers. You can do a shock tower for the shocks. You can also put on a shock I don't know how you call it in English, to get all the flow in there. Yeah, the piece of hardware. What have we got here? The shims. Those are very important, so we have to put, before I drive it, I'm going to get out the divs out and see how the play is, and then see, extra shim for tighter gear mesh. So we're going to do that afterwards. I don't want my shims, my differentials to blow up, so this is the measurement you have to do, so we're going to do that. Here's the high-speed gearing. I think it's a 23 tooth. I don't know exactly. Let me see here. Yes, standard is 15 for bashing. Real nice, solid one. Cable management is also very nice. See, really like, here you can put the extra fan on, I think. Why don't they put an extra fan on there? By the way, okay, I have something laying around here. This is a 23, so when you do it on 23 it goes up to 130 kilometers an hour. That's freaking fast. I got batteries, but yeah, I have to resolder this one because I don't use that one. But that's for afterwards. And of course, yeah, of course, stickers. Who doesn't like stickers? Everybody loves stickers. That's why I have these, of course. Yeah, I'm gonna put that on there. It's much nicer than Arrma, I think. Yeah. Okay, now I'll give you a little quick tour. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, these are belted tires. It's great, it's running great. It's like SERVOS, I think it's plenty of speed. I have to calibrate everything because my steering isn't off, is off now. But speed, look, it's like I'm barely touching it. It's going to haul ass, I'm sure of that. But again, I hate it that they don't fit it any ventilator on there. Come on, Arrma. Just opened the diff and you can see there's not so much grease in there. I opened the diff. It's a brand new car, so I opened the diff to chim them because I want to do it before I drive. I want to check it. So I don't know if the shims is okay, but I think there's still a little plate to get out of there. But before you drive it, put a little more grease in there. I prefer a little more grease. So each to his own, but that's my thinking. This is the front, same here, a little more grease. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. There's a little play in there.
Much later.
And don't forget to click subscribe and like.
Smash that like button.
Oh, we're gonna test the Talion here. Over here, do some speed runs and maybe some jumps afterwards. First 4S and afterwards 6S. So we know how the speed is. Okay? Let's do this. Full throttle. Let me see. Maximum speed, that's on 4S. 55. Average speed 90. Yeah, so 55 kilometers an hour. Let's see if it can do better. Maximum speed also 55. I don't know if this one is perfectly correct, but speed run. 66 kilometers an hour on 15.2. Nice. So, first impressions about the car. It's bloody fast. You saw it on 4S, it goes good. On 6S, it's real fast. I did jump it once, and I landed bad, and I broke this. So I had to fix it with some zip ties to do this second speed run. So I didn't want to jump anymore. When it's fixed, I'll do more jumps. So overall, I like it a lot. It's a very good car, runs freaking fast. So I hope you all liked the video. So I'm gonna clean it, and then afterwards I'm going to fix that and beat the shit out of it. See you later. Bye.